welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. I don't usually do two videos 2 days in a row like this, but I have some exciting news. So I was reading the news, and the president of the Philippines, Mr. Duterte, is offering a 10 million peso reward for any Filipino that has the cure or the vaccine for what we're going through right now. So that 10 million pesos is almost 200,000 US dollars. So any of my Filipino viewers, if you've been sitting on that cure or you've been sitting on that vaccine, here's your chance to strike it rich. Just contact Mr. Duterte in Manila and give him what you got, and you'll be 10 million pesos richer. So that was the main news. So hopefully one of my viewers will come forward with that vaccine. And please do it before the weekend. I want everything to open back up again. So if you can do it ASAP, that would be great. Let's see. 7 new cases today in Cebu City. A few of them are in the jail, which is not a good thing, because I don't know if you guys have seen the inside of a Philippine jail on YouTube or on TV, but there is no social distancing, none at all. So unfortunately, it's almost guaranteed to spread in the city jail. There's 1 or 2 prisoners that have it, and there's some jail personnel that have it now too. So that's unfortunate for there. As you can see, it's still pretty dead here. It's about 3:30 on a weekday, and yeah, still not much going on. Let's see what else is going on today. Let's see, the 10 million reward. Philippines Airlines has pushed back their nonstop flight from Cebu to Los Angeles to May 16th. It was supposed to start May 2nd, but they pushed that back to May 16th. Who knows if that will happen. Good news if you're in Vietnam. Tomorrow they're lifting their requirement for social distancing. See, they didn't have a quarantine there. They only required their people to do the social distancing. So they've been doing that. There hasn't been a new case in over 5 days. So from what I read, that will be lifted tomorrow, and life over there will mostly be back to normal. Let's see what else. Schools, at least in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, will remain closed until the 3rd of May. Some schools already have opened up out in the provinces of Vietnam, the provinces that had no cases as of yet. So that's good. Life is returning to normal. In Bangkok, they extended their alcohol ban to April 30th. There's an alcohol ban here also. And the Prime Minister of Thailand is trying to figure out how to balance, still having social distancing and opening up businesses. So he realizes that businesses need to open. So he's got a panel of people he's been talking to. So not bad, not bad. What else? Laos has their lockdown until the 3rd of May. There's an area in Manila, a little neighborhood, barangay, that's going to be locked down either for 48 hours or 2 weeks. I forget. I think it's 48 hours. They have a lot of cases going on right now. So that will happen up there in Manila. They're still talking about doing a modified quarantine after the 30th of April up in Manila. So we'll see. Cases are still about 200 a day in the whole country, which is, it's steady. It hasn't gone up, but yet it hasn't gone down. In Thailand, they've been averaging about 25 or 30 cases a day. Today they reported 19 new cases. So either they're not testing a lot of people in Thailand, or things are just getting better in Thailand. We don't know. It's kind of hard to say. Anything else? Let's see. There's no new cases of out of that lockdown barangay near me. The one that's only like I think I can walk there from here in about 7 minutes. No new cases, so that part's good. The only thing that's been kind of a hassle for me is the lack of Food Panda drivers and Grab Food drivers. Now with the new coding system for vehicles, which include motorbikes, it's been a little bit more difficult for me to get online food delivery. So sometimes I have to try it 3 or 4 or 5 times before it actually happens. So, Krispy Kreme is actually open. That's good. So that was closed earlier in the week, but now it looks like it's open. I'm actually walking over to KFC. I ordered some food online for a online pickup. So we'll see how well that works out. I like when I can order on a kiosk or order online. Then there's no confusion about what I want. Everything usually works out pretty well. So there's kind of a line here to get into Jollibee. Jollibee, I don't know about this one, but the other location has a kiosk where you can actually order online. But I think right now they're just letting 5 people in at a time. So these people sitting or waiting. No line for KFC. So, kind of interesting. So just in case you guys wanted to see what you can get at KFC, even just as a snack. So they got this chicken burger, 35 pesos, which is like, I don't know, 75 cents. Creamy pasta, 50 pesos, about $1. 4-piece nuggets with barbecue dip, 60 pesos or $1.10. And then down there, flavor shots, 50 pesos or about $1. So even if you don't have much money in the Philippines, you can still eat at least a little bit and not have to die of starvation. So I guess this is their version of $1 menu. So it's cool. It's cool. So even, for some reason, if my online teaching goes away or gets reduced, I'll still have options. So anyways, I gotta go. I gotta get my food, but I I just crossed 800 subscribers. Again, I really appreciate all of you. And even if you don't subscribe and you're just watching this, I appreciate you too. So if you do want to subscribe, hit that button and hit that bell next to it. So this is Jason from Asia Unscripted, and I will talk to you guys again in a few days.